Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs in an Instant Pot. First, you'll need your eggs, 1 cup of cold water, and your Instant Pot. Place the metal trivet or a steamer basket at the bottom of the pot. Carefully arrange up to 12 large eggs on the trivet or in the basket. Ensure the eggs are not directly touching the water. This setup is crucial for even cooking and easy peeling later on. Let's get cooking. Now, secure the lid on your Instant Pot and make sure the sealing vent is in the closed position. Select the manual or pressure cook setting and set the cooking time to 5 minutes on high pressure. The pot will take a few minutes to come to pressure before the 5-minute countdown begins. This short cooking time is perfect for achieving perfectly firm yolks and tender whites every time. Once the cooking cycle finishes, let the pressure naturally release for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, carefully switch the sealing vent to the venting position to quick release any remaining pressure. Once the float valve drops, open the lid. Immediately transfer the hot eggs into a large bowl filled with ice water. Let them cool in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes to stop the cooking process. After their ice bath, your hard-boiled eggs are ready to peel. The Instant Pot method makes peeling incredibly easy. You can often just tap and roll them under cold running water. Enjoy them immediately, or store peeled eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. They're perfect for salads, snacks, or deviled eggs. For more great deals and to grab your own little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.